Hi everyone my friends, in this guide I will show you the mods that everyone needs. These mods work on the latest version of 7 Days to Die, V3 and above. Tired of constantly hitting your inventory limit? The backpack mode is an absolute game changer. By massively boosting your carrying capacity, it lets you scoop up every single piece of loot during high tier clears, without forcing you to make tedious trips back home just to unload. Your inventory space will be huge. I also checked, and the pack move perk definitely affects these inventory slots too. Clean up your cluttered storage room once and for all. This mod bumps item stacks limits up to a straggling 60,000 units. It frees up an incredible amount of chest space, making your base organization look incredibly neat and saving you tons of time. Immersive Camera, a must-have for players chasing true realism. The Immersive Camera mode introduces subtle head bumping and natural screen shakes. It adds physical weight to your character, making every dash, leap and close encounter with the undead feel intensively real. Ever wondered why sleeping is so often left out of survival games? Telrics Sleeping finally delivers on the basic necessary. It lets you actually use bed to sleep through the night safely, bringing a crucial layer of realism that any appropriate survival experience should have. You just need to crunch on the bed and time will speed up. Beautiful Bases Mod, a dream come true for creative builders. The GNS Beautiful Bases Mod let you pick up, reposition and arrange random furniture and decorative blocks with easy, giving you complete design freedom. Oh my god, what this A wrote. In short, take any furniture what you come across and decorations and place them as a block where you want. FPV Legs, it's a minor detail that does wonder for first-person immersion. In short, it adds a visible body, visible gear on your character. From first-person view, you will be able to see your body. That's all what it does. OCB Stop Fuel Waste. Put an end on wasting your hard-earned coal and wood. This clever utility instantly turns off your campfire, forge and chemistry station. Oh my god. Oh my god, what it's writing. In short, it turns off everything automatically to save your wood. Turn your piles of useless ammo into something practical. This mod allows you to salvage unwanted bullet types for their raw materials, which you can then use to craft the exact ammunition your favorite guns actually require. Scrap the ammo and craft the ammo, that's all. Quick Stack, the ultimate quality of life feature you won't want to play without. With Quick Stack, managing your loot is effortless. One single click automatically identifies, sorts and deposits matching items from your inventory directly into nearby storage chest. Grab give experience. Make sure your Horde Knight's defense efforts actually pay off. This mod ensures you earn 150 experience for every zombie kill by using spike traps. It also affects the perks and experience settings. If you set up higher experience, you will get more experience from the trap kills, so everything's set to go. Military pallet loot. Keep your eyes peeled whenever you visit military camps. Military pallets will be main source of ammo, mods and weapons. You can find them everywhere, mostly in military bases. If you change loot abundance or ammo abundance settings, it also affects this mod. It is compatible with the easy gun pack, so it's safe to use. Aim Sway. Ready to add some real skill to your gunfights? Aim Sway introduces realistic weapon shaking while aiming down the sight. It forces you to steady your breath and time your shot perfectly, especially under heavy pressure. When you will have a scope attached, when you will zoom it out, and you will see the camera shake that is lacking vanilla. That's all. Pick Me Up. Accidentally place your traps in the wrong spot. No problem at all. This handy mod allows you to safely pick up and reposition your spike traps without breaking them or wasting resource. To pick up damaged spike trap, you need to repair it first. Plus, it gives you ability to pick up any spike trap which you find in the world. It must be 100 durability to pick it up. Modder's Delight Magazine Series. Take your crafting skill to the next level. This new magazine series unlocks advanced progression path, allowing you to learn how to craft much higher quality modifications for your weapons and armor. By opening a skill tree in the right button, you can see this magazine applies. When you will read first 10 magazines, you will unlock tier 1 production of modification. When you will read 20 magazines, you will unlock tier 2 production of modifications, and it increases. As many books you read, as better quality of modification you can make. In addition, you can get these magazines from the Trader Quest rewards. You can find them in loot, but they are very rare to find, so this mod is very balanced. You can try it. Restful Recovery Mod. This mod will give you ability to heal your injuries by sitting. You can choose any chair or couch to sit down. For this one, go to the chair, hold E and choose to sit down, and your character will sit down. Doing this, you will receive a buff icon in the left corner, so you will see that it works. This mod does, it speeds up injury healing speed. So before the end, there's the important news about my channel and what you can get. So I decided not to sell any mod guides anymore, so I deleted them fully from my blog. And links to all these mods will be in description. I will add them. Plus, the videos now will appear. They are all about mods for V3. You can check them and choose the mod list what you want for yourself. And please don't forget to like it, subscribe and comment for algorithm so many people will see this video and I will get support. Thank you very much. See you in the next videos.